Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. God bless you and you are welcome. Okay, this is just a little short video to show you how it went down at our house on Father's Day. I made all of this for my husband. Macaroni and cheese, crab and rice. That's the norm on Father's Day here. Cornish hens baked in a special pineapple sauce, fried plantains and creamy coleslaw. Look at it. And to top it off, we had some moist carrot cake. These had cream cheese icing on the top. That's his serving right there. And he ate every bit. He enjoyed it. I'd like to say happy Father's Day to all of my subscribers who are fathers today. God bless you. And to my father, who is not here in person but is here in spirit, happy Father's Day, Daddy. I love you. Thank you for watching. God bless you. And I'll see you in the next one.